Hi, it's Amanda the Nail Polish Hound, and my neighbour has just dropped round a parcel for me. And before I actually start opening it, I just wanted to show you how cute the wrapping paper was. And this has been sent to me from the gorgeous Louise, Loopyfrog. So I've opened the box off camera and had to have a bit of a giggle because this is a boomerang box. It's a box that I'd sent to Louise, and she has now sent back to me. Really sweet little note on the front here. Louise, you know you don't need to send me anything at all. It's lovely just to be your friend. So nothing you need to send me to thank me for that. But nevertheless, I'm sure you want to know what's in the box. So do I. Okay, right. So let's start off here. We've got some cuticle oil. And apologies for the state of my cuticles actually at the moment. It's really cold, and it's difficult to keep your cuticles looking good. These little cuticle oils are always really handy to keep in a handbag or on your desk. There we have. If you can see that, snow-kissed mittens. That's lovely. I think this was for putting in nail polish bottles, so you can angle them. It's particularly handy when you're getting down towards the bottom of a bottle. And it makes it easier to get to the bottom of them. I think that's what it is. If I'm not right, somebody please let me know in the comments below. Oh, and please excuse any traffic noise in the background. I did not want to wait until the traffic calmed down before I filmed this, so yeah, just going to have to put up with it. So I'm leaving what looks like nail polishes to the last, of course. Are you the sort of person who eats the nicest bit of the meal first, or do you leave it to the end like I do? Oh, that's cute. There's a little stress relieving strawberry. Is that what it was meant to be? Also beautifully packed as well. Okay. Oh, this is lovely. Again, more skincare, which I'm desperately in need of at the moment. A nice vitamin skincare gel. So that's very handy. Thank you so much. All right, now, which one shall I open first? Okay, let's start this end. And this one says, because you like stamping too. So I'm guessing this is either a stamping polish or a polish that you can use for stamping. But look, how cute is that? I don't know where people get these stickers from, by the way. I just end up putting post-it notes on stuff, which is really lame. Louise, where did you get your stickers from? Ooh, wow, okay. Now this is absolutely exactly my kind of colour. I love deep pink hollows. I really like CBL polishes. I don't have a vast number of them. And this one's one of their stamping polishes. I haven't got any CBL stamping polishes. Well, I have now. I've got one. So that's beautiful. Absolutely stunning. I love it. Okay, what's next? while we're still in the winter. Okay, I don't know what this is. No idea. A winter polish maybe? Winter themed, or a colour that's good for the winter? Oh my goodness. This is a brand new polish to me. Louise, you don't need to send me polishes like this, seriously. This is lovely. Look, if you can see the holographic in this pale grey. Love pale greys. I love holographic polish. But that is just beautiful. Really beautiful. Wow, okay. A bit blown away. This is called Tinseltown, and it's stunning. Look at that. Lovely. Okay. Alright, so this is Louise's favourite Zoya, and she did mention that she had a favourite polish that she was having difficulty with a top coat to dry it quickly. I don't know if this is the one, so I'm going to have to give it a go. I said I'd try and find a top coat that really worked with it. But look at that. Again, stunning. Absolutely stunning. Beautiful shimmer in that polish. Lovely pale blue. And this is called Rain. That is gorgeous. So is this the one, Louise? Is this the one that you are finding difficult to dry? If it is, let me know. I'll try it out, and I'll try it out with various top coats and let you know which one I find works best. I've got quite a lot of fast dry top coats, and I do find some work better with some polishes than others. And so I think I know what this last one is. Sorry, I spoiled this one. This is something that I actually asked Louise about when she posted it, because I thought immediately I need to order some of this stuff because I need it. And bless her, she sent me one instead. And it's quite difficult to get hold of in the UK. And it's the Peel Off Polish Barrier by Essence, easy to polish. I have a bit of a latex allergy, which means I can't use most of the peel off barriers. Most of the time, if it's just normal nail art that I'm doing with polish, then I use PVC glue. But you can't do that with water marbling because it just goes all goopy because it's water soluble. So I'm hoping this will mean that I can do some water marbling again. So thank you ever so much, Louise. As I said, you don't have to send me anything at all, but I do really appreciate these. You really don't need to send me stuff, but I'm going to start putting together a few things to go back in that box and send it back to you at some point. Alright, thanks for watching, guys, and I'll see you in the next one.